FSET is like, I will use the word, the maestro, the orchestrator, the chef, took the proper ingredients and created a perfect plate. And this is why it's perfect, because it saves money, it can save lives. It ensures that you have access to your data even if you're not on the cruiser. You're walking, you can still have access in this. You're not limited from what you have in front of you. FSET created something that can have a significant impact on actual citizens' life, on the work that law enforcement is doing. I honestly cannot see if there are any boundaries to what FSET is trying to do. The only thing that I know is that from the Citrix side, we are here to support it in every way possible. So it is exciting, it's innovation, it's technology, and it's technology put to make life better.